Hey, kindergartens. Today's story is called Clouds that you're going to read, and it's a level D book. And I want to show you some things just if you're practicing your chunky monkey for the word blends that I know. And then I know O when you pinch, ouds, clouds. Now, this book is about what, if you look into clouds, what you might see. And so if you look right here, you might see a sheep, which you know would start like this, or a lamb, which would start like this, or maybe you see a snake in there. So I'm going to tell you, the hard line is always going to be the top line in this book, and then the familiar line that you're going to know a lot of words is the next one. I'm going to cough, excuse me. Okay. So, big. Now, I'm going to help you with this one, and I am going to use the magic E in this. So, here's my chunk. White. Because if I said wit, that would not make any sense. I forgot my magic E, and so then I would have to Flippy the dolphin. So, if I said big wit clouds, that wouldn't make sense, so I'd Flippy dolphin and change it to white clouds. Big white clouds fill the, here's a color word, blue sky. Okay, so that's the line that's going to be hard in every one, and we'll go through them, so don't worry. And then here's things that they're going to ask you a lot. Okay, what do you see in the clouds? And so you told me you saw a rabbit. My picture's kind of hiding there. Okay. So, easy word, right? Look at the, okay, so here is one of those words that we don't know. And so we're going to have to use some strategies, right? We just can't guess. And so I think I'm going to use a stretchy snake, and I'm going to sound it out. Ready? Puff. Oh, it's a Y at the end. I know that says E. Puffy. So I used a strategy. I didn't just guess. I figured it out. Look at the puffy clouds. Okay, and so I don't want to ruin all the stories for you, but it'll tell you what you see, and you're going to chunk this right there, chunky monkey. Okay. All right, so here we go. Look at the, let's chunky monkey it. Let's try the first three. Okay, ready? Jum. And let's make this ending O a long O, like in bingo, okay? Bow. Bow. Jumbo. Look at the jumbo clouds. Oh my gosh, look, there's another magic E word. We're going to have a lot of flippy dolphins in this one. Okay, look at the round clouds. Okay. Here's another one. I think, did we do this one? Fuzzy clouds. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this big word right here because you are going to say that's a really big word and I'm not sure what it is. So let's take a look at it together and see what we already know. Well, I know we know the first part of it. Okay, remember Mrs. Book says we can't take the whole word when it's that long and sound it out because our brain can't remember all of that. So let's take the first sound and we're going to attach it to the ow because OU always pinches. Ow. Ready? Out. Oh, I think I know what it is. Mount. And I see a little chunk right there. Do you see that little chunk? What is that word? In. Mountain. Good job. You see how we looked at chunks, the chunky monkey? We did not go to in. Because if we did that, we would never, ever get that word. That only works when you're a teeny tiny baby kindergartner learning how to read. But when you're almost a first grader, you got to start looking for chunky monkey chunks. And we found them. We found the word in. We found ow. And so we just put it all together. Sometimes you see the last part first, but you always got to go back to the beginning to do it. Okay. Uh-oh. Those aren't white anymore. Look what they are. So I see some chunks. I see a bossy R, arc, and I see an ending chunk, Darker clouds. Oh boy, look at this big word. Do you see some chunks in it already? I see some chunks. Look what I see. I see this chunk, B-L, bull, and I see this chunk right here, cat, blanket. I better flippy dolphin. Blanket. Blanket! I did it! This is one you can chunk too. Look, get your mouth ready. Stick your tongue out at me. Ick. Thick blanket. Oh my goodness. It's starting to rain. Let's go. Look at, are you chunky monkeying with me? In magic-y. Side. Let's go inside. The end. Now this one is a little tricky. I know it is. And if you get nervous about reading books, go ahead and listen to it first. Then when you hear all the words, go back and try it 1 or 2 more times, okay? All right, kindergarten, thank you for reading with me today.